Hey gang, thank you so much for joining us at Texas Lobsters React. I'm Trace.
I'm Misty.
And today we've got a fun video for you. It's called Clubbing in the Wild. And without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into this David Attenborough parody.
30 minutes north of Auckland lies an area known as Riverhead Forest. Here, 3 females have travelled to a mating ground known as a nightclub. These females have engaged in an act found only in the humankind: clubbing. They've caught the attention of 3 males whom are ready to mate. The males approach in the most seductive way they know how. That mating ritual begins. It's truly a wondrous sight. Their first objective is to search for an opening. However, this proves difficult as the females keep a tight proximity. They retreat to a safe distance to reassess the situation.
Safe distance. You know, when you see it like this, it's very much like we are animals.
Yeah.
You know?
Really and truly.
I mean, we are still an animal species, right? Did you ever club? You never clubbed. I did. I clubbed a lot more than was good for me. But then I met Misty and I thought, there's no reason to do it anymore.
He was too old by the time.
Egged on by the others, the youngest of the 3 males makes the first move. Young and hopeful, he moves in to strike.
Strike.
However, youth and inexperience play against the youngling. He attempts to connect with them from afar, relying on making eye contact. He gets nothing back for his efforts.
Nothing back.
The youngling is frightened and out of his element. He retreats back to the other males. The second youngest preps to make his approach. He has selected a mate.
This is the way it is, isn't it?
According to the alpha male, if a male can make physical contact with a female, intercourse is assured. He's gone for it.
Uh-oh.
However, in no way has she reciprocated the gesture, causing the male much concern. He has to act.
Oh.
The male retreats defeated. Any hope the males now have lies with the alpha male. And who could possibly turn this stud down? His confidence is palpable. The females not being aroused by this is simply unimaginable.
Unimaginable.
They do, however, tighten their circle, a clear test, one the males must overcome. Disaster. Even the alpha male has been denied by the females.
Oh no.
The males desperately attempt to cover up their defeat. Embarrassed, ashamed, still ridiculously horny, the males retreat to another club. Because, you know, this one was shit anyways.
That would be a weird video to make.
They probably probably did it on a camping trip.
Yeah. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're still all animals. Anyway, thank you so much for joining. Please subscribe. We'll see you next time.